The big focus of the company is to improve our location accuracy. So we went from being a one client facility about a year and a half ago to now we have 6 different clients in the facility. So it's helped bring our LP accuracy overall up to some weeks to 99.98% for the building, which is awesome. It also helps with our picking accuracy because when people go to a certain location and the product's there, it helps with our units per hour. It helps us get more orders out the door faster, and it just helps overall morale for our associates. It makes their job a little bit easier. The business impact having a high LP accuracy is timeliness of orders going out the door. We don't have product being lost. Also just helps with overall units per hour and getting our orders done on time, or being able to keep up with the changes and fluctuations in customers' volume and the different demands that they may have. At the end of the day, it just helps the bottom line to have a good inventory accuracy.